Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. At some point in our life, everyone will need to deal with understanding medical advice given to a friend, a family member, or personally. So I'm going to create a very specific prompt for a fake person that you can simply copy by inserting your personal information like gender, whatever the issue is, date of birth, and brief relevant medical history and lab results if you have them. So in this fake case, let's say you're a male that is 59 years old and your father had prostate cancer. So you have been periodically getting lab tests to monitor your prostate. You can use Google Gemini or your favorite AI chatbot to assess all of the factors to help guide your discussions with your physician and guide your decisions. And this is how we're going to do that. When writing a prompt, it's important to give context. So we're going to start out by telling AI tool that you are an expert urologist with over 30 years experience and deep understanding of PSA lab results. You can do the exact same thing with the specific physician and the specific lab results that you're interested in learning more about. And then I'm going to just paste in the patient-specific information in the example scenario. 59-year-old male, father had prostate cancer at age 68, elevated prostate, all that. Finish the prompt with what conclusions can I draw from this data and press the send button. Immediately, Gemini will start generating an answer, and it's a relatively thorough answer. Obviously, at this stage, you can't depend on AI to give you the accurate information that a physician would give, but the point is this can be a great discussion document, and frankly, I've noticed that the artificial intelligence is getting smarter and maybe more accurate than a lot of doctors out there. So use this to augment your knowledge and as a discussion piece with your doctors. At the very least, it's likely to provide a lot of education, and you can always ask follow-up questions using this, which will help you drill down and get even more educated on the subjects. So to summarize, you want the AI app to act like a subject matter expert in the field that you're interested in. So insert the type of physician and the fact that it has many, many years of elite experience. Insert your gender, your age, related family history, and whatever diagnostic tests you have. For more detail, go to the description, and I've included the prompt I used in this example, as well as the example prompt for you to just insert all this extra information.
No way.